Welcome to our short video presentation. My name is Chris. Today, we will introduce a very important factor of parts protection, packaging. After each CNC machined part is produced, if the packaging method is not selected well, the yield of machine part will decrease. So, it's very important to choose the right packaging method. The packaging we often use include plastic net cover, bubble bag, hair cotton, blister box, plastic bag, industry wrapping paper. Since conditions are unavoidable during transportation, packaging methods with particularly good buffering capacity are required to reduce unnecessary losses during transportation. Our operators will wear clean gloves when packaging to ensure that the product packaging is free of fingerprints and dirt. If there is dust and dirt on the product, it must be wrapped clean with a dust-free cloth before packaging. Ordinary plastic or aluminum alloy product packaging should be wrapped with 1 mm per carton before entering the carton. Transparent and fragile products should be protected with industrial wrapping paper and 20 mm thick per carton. Products that are spray painted and easy to scratch should be protected with industrial wrapping paper and 1 mm per carton pack. If the product is small, it should be clearly marked so that the customer cannot find it when unpacking it. When the product is relatively heavy, the product placed in the inner box should be separated from other products by thick cardboard, and other products should be packed together in a small carton to prevent crushing. Additionally, we customize packaging and protective measures based on the appearance and functional requirements of your components. If you have any metal or plastic parts machining needs, or want to explore how our cutting-edge technicals can benefit your project, don't hesitate to get in touch with us, WayKen Rapid Manufacturing. Thank you for watching and hope my video is helpful to you.